making a really delicious apple and vanilla cake. So what you're going to need for this recipe is 1 scoop, so 30 grams of the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein powder. I've got 3/4 cups here of dark brown sugar. I'm going to be using 125 grams of butter, which I'll lightly soften. I've got 125 grams of almond milk. I'm going to be using 2 eggs, a dash of vanilla, a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar. I've got 3 fresh apples, which I'll peel and core. And then I've got 1¼ cup of self-raising flour. Now, if you choose to use a different kind of flour, such as brown rice flour, spelt flour, buckwheat flour, whatever it is, if it doesn't have a natural raising agent in it, then I encourage you to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder into your recipe. Now, to make this recipe, first we're going to make our cake batter. So we're going to beat our eggs, our butter and our milk together until it's nice and creamy, and then we're going to add in our sugar and our flour and a little bit of vanilla. So pop that into your cake pan, and then we're going to prepare our apples. So what we need to do is peel the apple, take the core out, and then we're going to slice it up very thinly, and then we're going to assemble our apple on top of our cake mixture and then give it a sprinkle of the cinnamon sugar. Now, once that's all done, I'm going to pop the cake into the oven, which has been preheating at 170 degrees Celsius, and we're going to let that bake for about 30 minutes.